Hello, this is your weekly overview video for Term 2, Week 7 of AP Environmental Science. So let's check out what you guys are going to be learning this week. If you guys look at our home screen, you'll see that we have lots of topics. Unit 5 is a big unit, and I would actually recommend that you guys click on this assignment first. It's called Land and Water Use Master List. So you guys see this assignment right here, the Land and Water Use Master List. The reason why I recommend that you click on this first is because you're going to be making a copy of this Google Doc, and it should look like this. So you'll see for each one of these agricultural practices that you're going to be learning about in your lessons in the Nearpod, there's basically 3 things that you have to do as you go through the Nearpod. You have to define what that agricultural practice means, so a brief definition or description. You're going to list the advantages and the disadvantages of each one of these methods. So for Nearpod, for 5.3, 5.4, and 5.5, you're going to use this chart and type in your answers. What is the definition? What are some advantages of this agricultural practice, and what are some disadvantages? Just a warning here, 5.4 and 5.5 are the same Nearpod. It's the same presentation. So just as you're trying to look for that, know that these 2 topics are combined in one Nearpod presentation. The second part is pest control and meat production. So again, list the definitions. Now you'll see for meat production, instead of some definitions, I have some questions that you're going to be answering based on some graphs, some data in the Nearpod. So again, make sure you guys download the copy of this master list first and fill it out as you complete the Nearpod assignments, so that way you can keep track of what you're learning. Okay, so if we go back to the home page for this class, here's where you'll find the Nearpods for the master list. So these are all the presentations that you're going to be using. The second graded assignment this week is a TED Talk that I want you guys to watch that talks about how agriculture impacts our environment. So you'll see I've embedded the TED Talk right here. There are some discussion questions, so make sure you guys make a copy of those. And then once you're done, upload your file and submit it through Canvas. All right, that's it for this week. If you have any questions, reach out, send me an email, or we'll set up a Google Meet. We will be doing a lab next week, so those of you that are distance learners will need to come in and arrange a time to pick up the lab materials from the main office or from my classroom. I will send out an email when those lab materials are here, and you guys can come get them from me so you can complete the lab next week. Okay? But until then, have a great week, and I'll see you next time.